Light relocations at different wavelengths, represented here by the various colors seen in a prism. Credit, NASA and ESA. Since Democritus, a Greek philosopher who lived in between the 5th and 4th centuries BCE, argued that all of existence was made up of tiny indivisible atoms, scientists have been speculating regarding the real nature of light. These included the discovery of the electron, the advancement of quantum theory, and Einstein's theory of relativity. Nevertheless, there stays lots of interesting and unanswered questions when it comes to light, much of which emerge from its double nature. For example, how is it that light can be obviously without mass, but still act as a particle? And how can it behave like a wave and pass through a vacuum, when all other waves need a medium to propagate? Throughout the scientific transformation, researchers began moving away from Aristotelian clinical theories that had been viewed as accepted canon for centuries. In many methods, this theory had actually been previewed by atomists of classical antiquity such as Democritus and Lucretius, both of whom saw light as a system of matter offered off by the sun. By the 17th century, numerous scientists emerged who accepted this view, stating that light was made up of discrete particles, or corpuscles. Newton's corpuscular theory was an elaboration of his view of truth as an interaction of material points through forces. This theory would remain the accepted scientific view for more than 100 years, the concepts of which were discussed in his 1704 treatise, Optics, or, a writing of the reflections, refractions, inflections, and colors of light. These theories were very first communicated in 1678 to the Paris Academy of Sciences and were published in 1690 in his Caractéristique de la Lumière treatise on light. By the early 19th century, scientists started to break with corpuscular theory. This was due in part to the fact that corpuscular theory stopped working to effectively explain the diffraction, interference and polarization of light, however was likewise since of numerous experiments that appeared to verify the still competing view that light acted as a wave. Thanks for watching.